It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MYOS. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Just an absolutely monster day for this one. Not that long ago, it was down here right around $1, and now it's up near $7. So quite the move, and quite a few questions and people watching it, which would make perfect sense after this day. So want to get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. We'll first start with levels of support. The ideal level of support going forward, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest is if the price can hold up above, what is that, $4.75. So if the price stays up above $4.75, that would be, a best case scenario. You may be thinking, wait a second, the price is at $6.80, so you're telling me it could drop a couple dollars and still be very bullish? Well, that's the catch-22. When you have fast movers, which this one is a very fast mover, it does create pretty big spaces between areas of support, especially, price-wise too. So, that's just a basic economic principle. There's always going to be a trade-off. And in this situation, yeah, this thing moves and it moves fast. But, you got to be very careful with these ones like this because, from a charting perspective, yeah, if the price were to come down here and bounce around and head back up, that would still be super healthy. I mean, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set right there. You'd have this set of lows. So the stair steps would still easily be going in the upward direction, but that still would be a $2 drop. So keep that in mind and perspective. Next level of support after 475. Keep an eye on down there at that point of $3.25. So 475 and then 325. From the big picture perspective, and a very simplistic way to watch this and kind of gauge the strength, just keep an eye on that purple line there. That is the 50-period simple moving average. As long as the price is up above the purple line, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? This is pretty straightforward. As it stands right now, for whatever reason, there's quite a few sellers sitting up here right around the $7 mark. You can see on essentially 3 different occasions, bulls try to get up through there and couldn't quite do it. So $7, public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. But no doubt about it, very, very nice day today. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.